Namaste, my friends. Welcome or welcome back. What you need to start practicing yoga. And this video will be extremely short, and I will tell you why. You will need, the first is a yoga mat. But guess what? It's not that important. You can practice on the grass, on the floor, on your carpet, for example, at home. So yoga mat, it's not that important. Another thing that you need is the comfortable clothes. Anything that you have at home actually will work. Better cotton, but doesn't matter. Do you have it? Of course you do. Of course you have comfortable clothes at home. I'm 100% sure. The third thing that you need is the computer or the phone. Do you have a computer or the phone? Well, if you're watching this video, for sure you have computer or phone. If you have a yoga studio close to you, perfect. But even with these two things, you're already covered. And the fourth, the last thing that you need is the willingness. And guess what? It's actually the only thing that you need. If you want to start practicing, if you feel that you should try it, you're curious to see what it is, then nothing can stop you. In the end, you don't need anything to start practicing yoga. So don't use any excuse. Simply go to the nearest yoga studio or have a look at some of the yoga videos that are available everywhere in the internet and simply make your first class. If you don't know how to prepare for the first class, what to expect, what to do, you can check this video over here, and I will put also the link below. Namaste. I thank you so much for you staying with me. Have a great yoga journey.